Okay, the big moment's arrived. 40 years in the making.
Tell us what has arrived in the mail.
This is a proof of Design for Destiny. It is the first in a 4 series at this point of books specific to the redemptive gifts, building on Arthur Burke's wonderful work of the 7 gifts of Romans 12. And on the 12th of the 2nd, 2026, a gift, 40 years in the making. Here it is. It's birthed and it's here. It's here. It's a workbook. It's a transformational workbook for Christian leaders specifically, because the world needs leaders who are able to speak God's truth from a place of strength and destiny and identity. And that's what this picture's all about. Every single one of us has a fingerprint that is unique to us, because our God is a God of genius and diversity. And imprinted upon every one of us, if you look really closely, on here are all the 7 of the redemptive gifts. Because we're made up of all 7 of these gifts, and yet we have one specific gift that God has given to us. And so today is the big reveal. It's the proof, it's not the actual. The actual is coming very, very soon.
So is this a draft?
This is the proof. This is the draft.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that book is a lot more substantial. It's a lot thicker, it's a lot bigger than I anticipated.
Yes. I am nothing if not thorough. And there is just so much exciting time and effort to be spent here with leaders and their teams in working out, families, pastors, ministers, working out your redemptive gift that God has given you to step into a time such as this. So welcome, friends. Welcome to the journey.